Okay, beta. So what was the last question in the class? Just let me write. Cross product, right? Okay. Just a minute. Am I recording, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yes, children, I was saying, right? I was saying about that's getting into that NITs and IITs. Why it is important? Can anyone of you please just give me a like two sentences about that? Anyone of you? Why it is important? You are saying, in a few of you were saying that all day were full packed. Anjali was saying they're full of classes, and yeah, you might be like everyone might be feeling the same actually. Why it is? Yes, class 11th and 12th would be the same actually. Believe me, guys, class 11th and 12th would be the same thing. All you have to do here, what you have to do here, you guys make sure that you are attending all the classes perfectly and listening it carefully and just going there and applying. That is what you have to do in class 11th and 12th. You understand? Is it clear? Is it clear why we are doing all this stuff? To get into a good college and get a good seat and get graduation from a good college. You understand my point here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me. I asked a question, no one is telling. Come on.
Yes, sir.
Come on, you can speak.
Yes, sir.
Hmm? Here, look, I just gave a time to speak in the class, isn't it? I gave a time to speak in the class. You must speak in the class, please. Hello. Anyone of you,
Yes,
take
sir.
initiation. You have to initiate. Someone of you initiate. Yes. Yes, you may think whenever you get, you can tell me the, you can talk about that whenever you get. Okay, let's begin the session now. Yes, I'll give a simple question beta here. First, every one of you. Divyanka Behura is joining now. Okay. So find the angle between two vectors A and B, where you say where you say A vector given as minus 4i cap plus 3j cap, and B vector is given as 2i cap. All right. So find the angle between these two vectors. Come on. We are in class product right now. Everyone must finish it. Yes, someone have you joined? 1 second. Let me, guys, you just the old students, please carry on with this question. Let me talk to Divyanka. Who is Divyanka? Are you here, beta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Divyanka. So I think you are new to the institute, right? New to the institute. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Welcome to the Chanakya tutorial, beta.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself? Can you please introduce yourself? I think this is a first class to you, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you please introduce yourself? Where are you from? Where you are studying?
Okay, so I'm Divyanka and I'm in Phoenix Greens right now. And right now I'm in 12th.
Great.
That's that.
You are in 12th right now?
Hmm.
Fine, 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 fine. Okay. So what are the topics you have done with from your school
In,
or college side?
in school, we're done with term 1.
Mm-hmm.
So that covers the first book.
Mm-hmm.
And right now in class, we're doing integrals and vectors.
In,
Vectors, I
integral,
mean, we just started.
Fine, 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 fine. Even we too started vectors. So we have taken like, couple of classes for vectors, like, 6 to 7 lectures we have done with it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes. 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 So have you done with the cross product, the concept called cross product?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please. You can solve the question now. And if at all you have any doubts, you may just text me so that we can have an extra classes. All right, beta?
Yes, sir.
Right. Find it. What happened? Make it fast. Very simple, guys. Very simple question. How can I find out? Come on. Adesha, done?
Sir, doing, sir.
How long, beta? How long? How long? How long? See, what was the formula? What was the formula? Straight away, directly. We are
Sir, A dot B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B.
mm-hmm.
That is only the formula for finding the angles, right?
Cross product formula. Cross product. Look at this here. If I have A cross B, magnitude of A, magnitude of B, sine theta.
Cos yes, sir,
So
sorry, sine theta.
sine theta can be written as what now? Sine theta. We need to find out angle, right? Sine theta can be written as what?
A cross B by magnitude of A dot magnitude of
Yes,
B.
I just gave enough into. Now you just tell me the answer. Quick. In dot product, we used to use cos, right? Come on. Shrikar, are you here, Shrikar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Shrikar. Come on, tell me the answer. Are you able to understand how to find it out?
Yes, sir. I'm doing it.
Yes. First, find out A cross B. How can you find out A cross B? Abhinaya, Anjali. Anjali is here. Yes. Tanishk. Make it fast. Daira Yadav. Someone is joining again. Yes. Yes, 1 second. Let me introduce. I think today many of you are joining. Yes, Daria. Who is Daria Yadav?
Uh, yes, sir.
Yes. Hi, Daria Yadav. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Is this the first class to you now? Is the first class today?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Uh,
Introduce yourself, beta.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Dhairya and Divyanka, these two students are going to write JEE 2022.
Okay.
So let them to attend because first year, second year, both portion they will be having in JEE. So this will be useful for them. That is the reason they'll be joining this class
Fine,
as well.
fine. No problem
And
at all. No problem.
welcome Dhairya, welcome Divyanka. Please make utilize your time here. And sir is fantastic teacher. He will make sure to understand each and everything. He is our most loving teacher. So make use of that.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take care, sir. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
giving
sir.
this opportunity.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yes, come on, beta. You can't take this much of time. What is the look at it? Theta is equal to what, beta? Sin inverse का formula क्या होता है? Magnitude of A cross B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. So what? How can I find out A cross B here? How can I find out A cross B here? I told you by using determinants. All right. So what is A here? पहले A लिख लीजिए. -4, 3. I don't have any K here. 0. So 0, not 0, 2, right? I have I coefficient 2, 0, 0. Now what is the answer of this? Come on, beta. What is the answer? Tell me. I cap 0 minus j cap, how much? 0 plus k cap, how much? Minus 6. So what is the A cross B now?
Minus 6k cap.
Minus 6k
6k cap.
cap. All right. Yes. Now find it the angle between two vectors. यही तो formula होता है. How did I get this formula? How did I wrote this formula? You might be getting a doubt. How did I write this formula, beta? बताइए. You know the formula, right? Sin theta is equal. Sin theta can be written as what? A cross B upon magnitude of A into magnitude of B. Am I correct? Is it clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Make it fast. Come on. Here minus 6k I got. 6k cap. Fine. All right. So magnitude of A. What is the magnitude of A here? What is magnitude of A? What is magnitude of A? Square root of 4 square gives me 16 plus 3 square 9 gives me how much? 25, which gives me 5. So magnitude of B how much? Magnitude of B very simple, beta, very simple. We are going from basics. We are going from basics. Come on. Square root of 4 gives me 2.
2.
Fine. So what is the theta now? What is theta here? Sine inverse of A cross B by magnitude of A into magnitude of B. All right. So theta is equal to what? Sine inverse of how much I got? How much?
Minus 3/5.
So minus no here cross product of A and B, A vector and B, 6. All right.
6
Isn't it?
minus 6. Yes, sir.
Exactly. So now theta is going to be what? Sine inverse of, directly you write 6 by 5 into 2. You understand my point? So theta is equal
Yes,
to
sir.
sine inverse of 2 ones, 2 threes. So 3 by
3 by
5 I get. So 3 by 5 how much? So 3 by 5 will be having some value. All right. So this is the answer. This is my answer. Sir, if at all I would like, if at all you want to solve this, how can I solve this? How can I solve this? Theta is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5, how much? 0.6. Do you agree with my point? You understand or not? So sine sine inverse of 0.6. Sine inverse of 0.6 will be having some angle. So that is going to be your answer. All right. They will mention you the value. They will mention you the angle, Sine inverse of 3 by 5 कितना होता है? Bracket में mention करेगा. मगर already they'll be mentioning you the values. They'll be mentioning the values. But look at this. We have learned sine theta. I mean sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. 0.5. Isn't it? You understand my point? Now approximately how much I get? Approximately how much I get now? Sine inverse of 0.6. If at all I take it as 0.5 approximately, beta. Okay, approximately nearest value. So theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.5 now. Sine inverse of 0.5. What is the answer now? Theta is equal to what? Come on, 30 degrees. 30 plus hona chahiye. Or theta should be what? 30 degrees plus. You understand my point or not? You just decide the option accordingly. Let me give the options here. Option A, 36.87 degrees. Option B, 39.87 degrees. Option C, 44.37 degrees. Option D, none. Then which option is going to be correct here? The nearest value, 36 point, this one is going to be answer. Apko accurately need not to calculate here. Need not to calculate accurately, beta. 3 by 5 is given, right? 3 by 5 can be written as what? 0.6. What is the nearest value to 0.5? 0.6 here, 0.5. Now 0.5 is nothing but what? 1 by 2. 0.5 is nothing but what, beta? 1 by 2, isn't it? 1 by 2. So theta is equal to sine inverse. 1 by 2 can be written as what? Sine 30 degrees. You understand or not? You understand or not? Hello?
Sir.
Yes. So sine inverse and sine will get cancelled. So theta will be 30 plus. Why? Because we took 0.5. But actual is what? Actually is what? 0.6. So of course it will be 30 plus, right? 30 plus. 30 change hoga kuch bhi. So 30 change is what? Nearest to. What is the nearest value to 30 here? 36.87. So that is how your answer is going to be. Hope it is clear, people.
Yes, sir.
Guys, See here, whenever you have a calculation part, this is how you need to approach. So you need not to calculate accurately. आपको कोई Nobel Prize नहीं देंगे वहाँ पे, ठीक है, समझ रहे? So no one is going to give you the gift if you solve accurately, ठीक है? आपको at last you need to decide the option. You understand my point? And crack. Getting my point or not, beta? Come on, respond to my question.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we move forward now? The people who has joined today, what is your name? I'm sorry, Darya and
Divyanka.
Divyanka. Great. See, beta, are you able to understand beta here?
Yes, sir.
Great. Shall we go forward now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. One second, children. What's happening? Guys, can you see whatever I'm writing here?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I think my pen got stuck. Just a minute. Oh, I'm sorry, children. One second. Chalo, next question. Now can you see? Yes. Yes, it's working now. Look at it here. If vector A and vector B are two vectors, guys, I'll be taking today 10 to 15 minutes extra. All right. I'll be taking 10 to 15 minutes extra today. Please be patient. Two vectors such that A dot B is equal to A cross B. Then find the angle between them. Guys, let us go with the basic questions, and as soon as we're done with this, we'll go with the previous year JEE questions. Okay, probably in the upcoming class, in next class. I mean, tomorrow we'll be having class, right? Sunday. So definitely we'll be having a class tomorrow, and in the class, tomorrow's class, we'll be having previous year JEE questions. Okay. So angle between, बताइए, make it fast. Angle between A and B. That's from my side, there's a small issue with the pen actually, please. Yeah, come on, make it fast. He has given that A and B are two vectors, beta, such that A dot B is equal to A cross B given. Then find the angle between. Make it fast. Very simple. Make it fast. आपको ये फाइंड आउट करनी चाहिए. Last 30 seconds.
Sir, I sent you the answer.
Great, beta. Right answer. Perfect. What about others? Come on. Yes, you may go for the next question, Adyasha. You don't wait, need not wait. Please go for this question. Yes, beta, look at this here. He has given A dot B. And Adyasha, I would like to ask you a question here. How was your approach? How did you go through this question? How did you go through this and solve it? Come on.
Sir, for A dot B modulus, we can write the formula as A magnitude into B magnitude into cos theta, right?
Great.
And for that one, we can write A magnitude into B magnitude dot sin theta.
And और एक भूल जा रही हो आपने. Like, you know, you just forgot something here. Into what? एन कैप तो हमेशा एक ही होता है, सिंस इट्स यूनिट वेक्टर उसको भूल जाओ, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है। मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ एन इज व्हाट, यस यूनिट वेक्टर 1, तो उसको भूल जाओ, यस सही है, कम ऑन प्लीज कैरी ऑन। आफ्टर दैट नथिंग, कैंसिल एवरीथिंग, क्या बचा है मुझे?
Yes, sir. Sir,
What I got here, come on tell me. See here, can I just write here if
sir,
I
cos
just
theta is equals to sin theta.
Hmm.
Then tan theta is equals to 1.
Tan theta is equal to 1 here, then tan theta is equal to 1 can be written as tan pi by 4. So tan gaya, so pi by 4 is the answer. Am I clear with everyone, people? Yes, very simple, beta, very simple. We are going with the basics since it's the starting of the class product, right? Starting of the class product. We'll go with the basics, please. But because until and unless you are good at basics, beta, you can't touch advanced questions. Whatever the process you are making over here, this helps you to solve advanced level questions. You understand my point, people? Come on. Hello. Please be active. Please be active. थोड़ा energy होना चाहिए class में. Energy. Come on, enthusiastic. You have to be enthusiastic in the class. थोड़ा enthusiasm दिखाओ भाई. Come on, make it fast. Find the lambda. Come on, people. You can't take this much of time. Come on. Simple question. Both easy
Sir,
question.
done, sir.
What is the answer, beta? You have sent. Please don't reveal the answer. You know, you should not reveal the answer. As soon as you're done with your answer, please drop a message so that I can just go through that.
Sir, I did already that, sir.
What is your name? Daria.
Adyasha.
Yeah, I know that. Adesha, not Adesha. I'm sorry. Daria and today one girl joined. Divyanka, please. Divyanka, what is the answer, beta?
3.
3.
Yeah, the value for lambda it's 3.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out. 1 second. Wait a minute. Yes, Adesha, you are right. Divyanka, I think you might have made some calculation mistake. Beta, thoda check it is. Please check it out once. Check it out once. What he has given here, find the lambda. A cross B given. How do I find out A cross B पहले? A cross B क्या होता था? I cap, J cap, K cap directly. Abhinaya, are you able to understand? Anjali,
Yes, sir.
are you here, beta? Yes. What is here? How do I just expand this determinant? पहले I 6 7 42 plus 14 lambda minus J. So how much? 14 minus 14 0. Plus K. People, I'm writing direct stuff here. Don't make me to write basic stuffs here. Okay, I already told you how to expand a determinant. All right, beta. Yes, minus 2 lambda minus 6. Hope it is clear. All right. So is equal to 0 given. So 0 के बराबर कर दो बस. Look at this here. What I got here. So 42 plus 42 plus 14 lambda. All right. This is going to be I cap, right? I cap. And this is going to be 0 plus K cap minus 2 lambda minus 6 is equal to 0. Anjali has entered the room again. Come on. So now can I write 0? This right hand side, can I just write it as what? 0 I cap plus 0 J cap plus 0 K cap. Can I write? Absolutely. Now I can compare the both. I can compare both the sides and just find out my answer. Very simple. So what is the here? 0 I cap plus 0 J cap plus 0 K cap. So 42. Compare the things. 42 plus 14 lambda is equal to 0. So lambda is equal to what? Minus 3. Minus 3 beta. Isn't it? Minus 3. Anjali sir, I have really bad connection for some reason. Screen kept holding. Fine, 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 fine. Make sure that you are changing your device either, or make a find a solution for that. Find an alternate
Yes,
solution,
sir.
Anjali.
It only happened today, sir. Normally it
Fine,
doesn't
fine,
happen.
fine, 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 fine. Leave it, leave it. Come on. How many have you done with this? How many have you got this answer? Chalo. You understood or not? ये basic question था. What was the logic here? What was the small twist here to write like this here and just compare it? Clear? Isn't it, people? Next question. Guys, am I going fast? Am I going fast, people?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Are you fine with the pace whichever I'm going with?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
So A and B are parallel vectors. If at all you find any speed in pace, please feel free to express yourself and say that, sir, can we go somewhat, like, can we go a bit low? Can we go a bit slow? You can just tell me immediately, guys. We'll ready to, take your suggestion, and we'll ready to take your, plans and ideas, everything. Please, come on. Whatever you suggest, will feel free to go with that. No problem. Write the value of P for which A and B are parallel vectors. A and B are parallel vectors. So क्या होगा? What happens here? A cross B is what? Very simple. We'll solve in two methods. We'll solve in two methods basically. We'll have a shortcut and we'll have a normal method. Come on. I'll write next question. Please make sure that you are just giving the answer within time. Come on. Oh my God. 1 second. Time up, time up, time up, time up. I'm sorry, I can't give this much of time. People, parallel vectors, what is the condition? When two vectors are parallel, क्या होगा? A cross B is going to be 0. What happens? Look at this. These two are parallel here, so क्या होगा? Parallel, so A cross B is going to be 0. So now A cross B is going to be 0. Then what is going to happen? What is going to happen? Look at this here. I, J, K. Straight away we'll find out I, J, K. So 3, 2, 9, 1, P, 3. Isn't it an easy thing? If you know this, guys, isn't it an easy thing to find out the value of P now? Come on.
Yes, sir.
What is the value of P? Come on, better tell me.
So value of P is 2 by 3, sir.
Great. That's great. That's great. Fantastic. How many have you got? How many of you got 2 by 3 beta? This is a method 1. What is the method 2 here? Fantastic. Adesha, you're right. What about others people? I can't see. I don't find the enthusiasm in other people. Anjali, what happened? Abhinaya, Shrikar, Tanish, what happened? Come on. I need a Josh. I should see that Josh. Shrikar, come on, beta. What happened?
Got it, sir.
Got it. Very good. What about Tanish? What about I am sorry, I'm just
Little
Daria and Divyanka. Daria and Divyanka. Got it, beta? What is the another
Yes,
method? Can we solve in some other way? What is an alternate method for it?
Sir, they are coplanar vectors, then don't you think that both the vectors will be equal? We can equate
Yes,
it.
look at this here. 1 second, sir. Yeah, look at this here. Method 2. If the two vectors, everyone like an alternate method we are going here. If two vectors are parallel, beta, then what you have to use a relation? Look at this: a1 by b1, a2 by b2, a3 by b3. So now use this formula, shortcut. Khatam. Bataiye abhi answer. Tell me. Find out the answer by this method now. See, this is a1, b1, a1j, a2j, and a3k. b1k, so b1i, b2j, b3k. You understand my point here? Look at this here. Compare this vector with a1i cap, a2j cap, a3k cap. B vector gives you, take 1 second, b1 I cap plus b2 j cap plus b3 k cap. All right, these are the two vectors. When these two vectors are parallel, use this condition. आपको आंसर मिल जाएगा एक ही सेकंड में. बताओ a1 by a2 how much? 3 by 3 by how much? 1. So 2 by p now is equal to 9 by 3, isn't it? 9 by 3. So what is the answer now? Compare these two, equate these two now. P is equal to what? P is equal to what? 2 by 3. Very simple. Is it clear? Is it clear, people?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what is the answer of this? So I think it is. This is I, J cross K, I cross K, I cross J. Come on. See, I'll give a hint here. I cross J can be written as what?
So 1. Answer
K
is 1.
cap. Answer is 1. Fantastic. Very good, beta. Very good, Adisha. How did you solve? Did you solve that clockwise, anti-clockwise? और जो बताया था मैंने वही ना?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Guys, this is a very simple question. You just use the method, which I'm just telling you now. So ये होगा तो क्या होगा? I cross K क्या होगा? Minus J क्या होगा? Use this. That's it. People, are you able to apply or not? Come on, Abhinaya, are you here? Abhinaya, I don't find any answer from your side. Abhinaya, are you solving or not? Come on, beta, you must talk in the class. You got to talk
Yes,
in the
sir.
class. Come on, what happened? I don't get the answer from your side. Are you getting or not? See here, substitute इसका value क्या है? इसका value क्या है? What is the answer of this? Substitute there. That's it. Guys, you just take it at home. Answer is 1. Homework. Answer is 1. We'll go for the next question. I can't waste much time on this simple question. All right. Shall we go for the answer is 1? I'm telling you. Solve at home and just let me know tomorrow if you don't find. All right. Next question. Guys, is it fine or not?
Yes, sir.
For any 3 vectors A, B, and C, for any vector, you have to prove that A plus B, B plus C, C plus A is equal to 2 times of. हाँ, ये prove that वाला क्वेश्चन तो हमारा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन बन जाता है. Prove that वाला क्वेश्चन ना, the prove that questions are becomes like our favorite questions. कुछ भी लिख दो लास्ट में prove that, hence proved. LHS equal RHS. Guys, don't make like that, please. Yes, you have to. You gotta explain now how you're gonna make this. Come on. See, prove that questions. Why? See, prove why I'm solving this question. Why I'm solving this question? Yes, this question cannot be asked in MCQ format. Of course, isn't it? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Next question I'll write here. Definitely everyone should ask me whatever the questions I'm giving you to solve now. If you are unable to solve at home, the questions whichever I'm giving you as a homework, if you are not in a position, I mean, if you are not able to solve those, beta, please come and ask me in the next class. All right. So you can't leave the question as it is. So you must solve it. Guys, how many have you done with vectors from your college side, school side? How many have you done with?
Sir, for us is it completed.
What about others? I think Divyanka has done. Dhairya, what about you?
Sir, done.
Okay. And Shrikar, Tanishk?
Done, sir.
Good. So then,
Done, sir.
guys, everyone, this also you take a very, very good question. Very, very good question. Everyone should send me the answer in WhatsApp. You understand my point? See, this is a prove that question. कुछ भी बना के last में LHS equal RHS नहीं लिखना, please. No one should write like that. Everyone send me the answer in WhatsApp once you're done with that. Okay. Next question. Solve this one. Just only 1.5 minute of time, 1.5 minute of time. See, this is a starting stage. I'm giving you 1.5 minutes, but you must solve it in as short as possible. You must solve the question in a very, 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 very less time. Then only we can make more number of questions in exam. Please don't reveal the answer. Don't reveal the answer. If you're done with this, please post drop a message. Shrikar, are you here, Shrikar?
Yes, sir.
Done.
Doing, sir.
Divyanka.
Doing, sir.
Very good, Adesha. You're right. Last 20 seconds. Very simple. Look at this here. This is equal to 0 given magnitude of A given magnitude of B, magnitude of C. See, whenever you get this type of question, beta, and he has given magnitude of A, magnitude of B, magnitude of C, which means what? Which means what? What condition I must do here? How can I approach? What should be my approach here? Adesha?
So first I use the given equation that A vector plus B vector plus C vector is equals to 0.
Yes, we have to use this. Now, can I just do here A plus B is equal to minus C? Squaring
Yes,
on,
sir, I did like that.
squaring on both sides. Just उसके बाद like dot product का formula लगाओ बस आंसर मिल जाएगा आपको. Isn't it? Have you done in the same way, beta?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So squaring on both sides. If I do squaring on both sides, what would I get here? Isn't it? So how
Yes,
can I write this? Can I write like this? People, are you able to understand my handwriting here? So how can I just solve this? A dot A dot A plus A dot B plus B vector dot A vector plus B dot B. All right. So C dot
sir.
A dot A gives you what? A. Can I write like this now? Here A dot B plus B dot E. This also can be written as A dot B. So what we can write here? So now look at this here. Guys, here can we write like this? Already we have seen this can be absolutely written as like this. We have a property. All right. So now look at this here. Wait, look at this here. This can be written as what? Two times of what? A dot B plus magnitude of B squared plus magnitude is equal to magnitude of C squared. Here I can apply dot product formula. That's it. So magnitude of A square plus what is the formula for dot product here? What is the formula for dot product? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B into cos theta.
Cos theta.
Cos C square. Sorry, here. Magnitude of B square is equal to C square. Guys, for your understanding purpose, I'm writing all this stuff. Otherwise, look at this here. ये stuff के बाद डायरेक्ट ये सब लिखना चाहिए. ठीक है? Mind calculation पूरा fast calculate करना. देखो. Next, what is the vector A given here? Magnitude of A, how much given? 3. Magnitude of B, 5. 3, 5, 7. So 3 is nothing but what? 9 here. 3 square plus 2 times of 3 into 5 into cos theta plus 5 square.
25.
What? 25. C square 7 square 49. देखो 630 cos theta. 30 cos theta is equal to 49 minus this plus this. How much? 34. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 15.
So cos theta कितना आएगा? Cos theta is equal to how much? 16.
1 by 2.
6. So 15 by 30. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. 15 1 15 2. Theta is equal to what? 5 by 60 times, right? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 only, right? Yes or no? I'm writing in radians. All right. Hope it is clear. Anyone of you doubt? Any doubts? How many of you got the answer? Tell me. How many of you got the answer, beta? I don't see any messages from you all. I don't see the messages from you all. Dhairya, Divya, Divyanka, Tanishk, Abhinay has left the meeting. Don't know why. Okay, let me drop a message. Please, everyone, please. How many of you got this message? Got this answer? Come on.
Sir, I got.
What about others? Divyanka, Dhairya. Divyanka, do you think am I going fast?
No, sir. It's just that I need to revise again. I was in integrals chapter, so I need to
Oh,
revise this again.
fine. No problem, beta. You just make sure one thing that you are revising all the stuff, whatever you have done with so far, and come to the next class so that you can be
Yes, sir.
able to adapt to the question easily. You understand my point?
Yes, sir.
We'll see tomorrow. No problem. Just take it easy now. You are recollecting everything, right? That is fine. Great. Look at it. Just find the vector P, which is, guys, are you able to understand my handwriting? Perpendicular to
Yes,
both.
sir.
People, are you able to understand my handwriting or not? I need a response from every one of you. Come
Yes,
on.
sir.
Yes, sir.
How is the Joe Striker?
Good, sir.
And P dot Q given that 21, where Q vector given that 3I cap plus J cap minus K cap. All right. Come on. I told you one shortcut. We have solved a question. P is perpendicular to both vectors. Adesha, do you remember or not? एक वेक्टर दो वेक्टर को परपेंडिकुलर होगा तो क्या होगा? मैंने एक शॉर्टकट बताया था आपको. Just apply the logic. If you are not solving that, you are not revising. If you are not solving that means you are not solving the problems at home. I mean, you are not revising the notes. I think 1 second, people who are, someone has left the meeting. Who's that? Shripad Tanishi, Anjali and Abhinay. What happened, people? Adesha, what happened? Hello, time up. Time up.
Sir, I got some different answers, sir.
What is the answer? Tell me whatever the answer you get. No problem. See here, I would like to make a statement over here that, see, don't feel shy and don't feel nervous if to express your answer, to tell your answer. Please, you may voice over whenever you get an answer. See, don't keep your answer with you. Please express your answer. It may be wrong, it may be right, no problem. Is it clear? Whatever it is, even like if you if you feel it is wrong, no problem. Please just try to express your answer out. No problem. You understand my point here?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the answer you got, beta? Here alpha
Sir,
vector.
I got some 7I cap minus 7J cap minus 7K cap.
Perfect. That is the answer. Then why you are not willing to answer? You are right. You are right. Of course, you are right. See here alpha vector and b vector is a p is a vector which is perpendicular to alpha and beta. I told you, isn't it? Ha. See here p is perpendicular to both alpha and beta given, isn't it? So can I write like this now? I told you beta that day alpha times of, I took cross product of these two. So what is the cross product of alpha beta now? First alpha beta find out कर लेंगे. Alpha cross b beta. I mean alpha cross beta. So what is the answer? I J K.
Sir, I used this method only, sir. I thought you're asking about some other method.
No, beta. Absolutely, I was like expecting you to tell the same method only. Okay, 4, 5, minus 1, 1, minus 4, 5. Look at this. What is the answer here? इसको calculate कीजिए. So 25 minus 4. Am I right? Minus J 20 plus 1 plus K
Minus 16 minus 5.
minus 21. Isn't it? Directly right. Minus 16 minus 5. All right. So what would you get here? 21 I cap plus, sorry, minus 21 J cap minus 21 K cap. Okay. So what is my P given, right? P is equal to what? P vector given is perpendicular to. So alpha times of this much. Alpha times of minus 21 I cap minus 21 J cap minus 21 K cap. Right, am I recording? Please, anyone, can you please check it out once? Yes, I'm recording.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, please, sometimes, I forget to record. Please, if at all you find I'm not recording, so please, let me know, guys. All right. After this, will you not able to find this? Come on, how can I find it out? Come on, tell me. Shrikar.
So P dot Q is given.
Yes, P dot Q given, beta. P dot Q how much given? P dot Q how much given? 21. Look at this. P dot Q given 21. That's it. P dot Q is equal to 21 given. So P vector how much I got? Look at this. This is what a P vector. So substitute here. Minus 21 lambda I cap minus 21 lambda J cap minus 21 lambda K cap dot Q. What is the Q given? Q given how much? 3I plus J minus K, right? 3I plus J cap minus K cap is equal to how much? 21. Then how can I find a dot product here? Tell me.
Sir, for that first one, we can take that lambda common, right? Why to multiply this in
Achha, I wrote
vectors?
wrongly, beta. Here, look at this here. I just wrote wrongly here. Minus 21 I wrote, beta. Here plus 21. Look at this here, plus 21. I wrote minus 21 there. Yes, Adisha, you're saying something?
Sir, I was saying that we can keep that lambda aside, no, sir?
Yeah, you can
While
keep.
calculating
No problem,
this.
no problem. उसमें problem कोई नहीं है. Yes, you can absolutely can do that. No issues at all. So what is that? Here plus. So 21 3 is how much, beta? 63 lambda minus 21 lambda plus 21 lambda minus into minus plus, right, is equal to 21. So 21 lambda गया तो क्या बचा मुझे?
Lambda is equals to 1 by 3.
Am I right? People, any doubts here? I'm sorry, beta. I'm just Divyanka. Daria. Any doubts, beta?
Divyanka. No, sir. No
Fine.
doubt.
Right? Yes.
No, sir.
Absolutely. So what we got here? Lambda value we got. So what I have to do now? What I have to do?
Multiplying it with the vector.
Look at it here. Let us consider this is my star equation, right? Star equation. Substitute from the star equation. What can I write? P vector gives me what? 21 lambda. 21 lambda, right? 21 lambda. So 21 by 3 into 1 by 3 times of I minus 21 into 1 by 3 times of J plus 30 minus I. What was that? Minus 21 into 1 by 3 times of K cap. So this is going to be my P vector now. P vector is going to be 7I cap minus 7J cap minus 7K cap. All right, beta. Fine. How many of you got this? This
Got
is
it.
what vector is going to be. All right, people. Perfect. Is it clear with everyone?
Yes, sir.
I'll give a question here. Homework. Find a unit vector. Find a unit. Oh, 1 minute, people. Let me write some neatly. Vector perpendicular to both of the vectors A cross B and A plus B and A minus B. So where A given that I plus J plus K, a cap. All right. B vector given that. Okay. So this is a homework question, beta. So yes. Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, please everyone, you do one thing. Please do revise if you have done with your concept beta. I request every one of you that please do revise the concept and come to the class so that it makes you very easy to understand. It makes you to it calls to you what solve the question in the shortest time. All right, you understand beta? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, could you show the question once again?
I'll share the notes, no problem. See, I'll share these notes. I think you're not aware of that. I'm sharing the notes in Google Classroom.
Sir, my Google Classroom's not working for some
ओके
reason.
फाइन फाइन मैंने एक बार दिखा देता हूँ कोई प्रॉब्लम ठीक है देख लो इधर your Google
Sir.
what is the problem you may talk to what is called you may talk to ma'am Shirisha ma'am or Monica ma'am all right if you have any problem all right
Okay, sir.
Srikar you understand
Yes. Yes, sir.
yes you may talk to Monica ma'am or Shirisha ma'am so that they can help you out okay and people look at this here tomorrow we'll be having a quiz tomorrow we'll have a class right tomorrow's class would be from shall we keep in the morning 10 to 11 or 11 to 12
Sir, tomorrow evening will be okay, sir, because I am having exam.
you are having exam till what time beta okay one second please
Sir,
एक minute Adyash I'll give a time okay children let me stop recording yes thank you